Hello, my name is Halle Alvarez from Year 2 Blue. Today I'm gonna prepare banana muffins with chocolate chips. Here are the ingredients. We're gonna add for the ingredients: banana muffin, banana, egg, mayonnaise, butter, chocolate chips, baking soda, salt, sugar, and flour. We're gonna bake now. Now we're gonna bake. There are 4 steps to make the banana muffin with chocolate chips. First, we preheat the oven to 340 degrees. Next, we mash the bananas and mix it up with mayo, butter, sugar, and egg. Third, we need to add the dry ingredients: flour, salt, baking soda, and chocolate chips. Lastly, we need to grease the cupcake liner and add the batter to it. Then we bake it to 15 to 20 minutes. Make sure you mash the bananas thoroughly before you add the other ingredients. Next, we're gonna add my dry ingredients to the wet ingredients.
So I'm gonna help you.
Next, it's time to grease the cupcake liner. Now it's time to scoop it in. Slow. Now it's time to put this in the oven.
You're gonna help mom. You're gonna need mommy's help, right?
Yeah. Now my banana muffin with chocolate chips are now ready.
What is it?
Piece of heaven.
It's really good.